Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Let me tell you what, I have missed y'all so much. I posted an update over on Instagram if you are curious of where I've been. It's been a few weeks. I just kind of needed to step back, recovering from a healing cold sore, so there's that going on. So if you're noticing or wondering why my makeup is looking crusty over there, it is what it is. It's healing. Also, I feel like my face is still swollen. I got all 4 of my wisdom teeth removed. My jaw still feels really weird. I guess it's gonna take a while. They were impacted, and I guess the older that you are and the longer that you wait, the worse that it is. So of course, you know, worst case scenario for me. Okay, anyways, I thought I would hop back in and just start with something easy, an empties video. Unfortunately, I am the worst about keeping my trash. Whenever I get into like cleaning mode, I'm just like, throw away all the things, and I throw away empties. So not everything is in here, but there's still quite a bit. I think this is probably better. Otherwise, a super long empties video would just be too much. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna start off with some hair care. I have 2 products from Briogeo. These are the Be Gentle, Be Kind Banana and Coconut Nourishing Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. Originally, I think in this line, it was the green apple ones, which I actually did not like at all. I know everybody raved about them. It made my hair feel very dry, but what's interesting is the people that like the green apple one, I hear them complain that the banana one is drying on their hair. I actually really love the banana shampoo and conditioner, but the person in our home that loves these the most is my son. Luckily, I've been receiving quite a few as PR, so I've been able to like replenish it for Layadid, but I'm like, homie, I love you, but you're 10, you're a boy. You have great hair, but I'm like, I don't know if I can keep up with this habit. But yeah, he's been loving the Briogeo Banana Shampoo and Conditioner. I really like them too. I personally love the scent. It has that banana Laffy Taffy scent. I know you're either like gung-ho for like that artificial banana scent, or you think it's absolutely disgusting. I actually love it. Growing up in Korea, there were a lot of like banana snacks and drinks, like banana milk and banana kicks. Basically, it's like a Cheeto Puff, but banana flavored. Don't knock it till you try it. It is so, so good. I do have another shampoo. I've actually never tried the conditioner of this one just because I don't mind going in and switching in like a drugstore shampoo if I really like it, but with conditioner, I typically tend to stick to like a really good conditioner just because that's like my favorite part, and I feel like I need something really good and detangling. But this is from the brand OGX. It's the Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo. This stuff smells incredible. Whenever I first hauled this, I said that I think it smells like pink sugar, that perfume. I never really wore that one too often, but I remember my friends wearing that one a lot. But then somebody else said Britney Spears Fantasy, and I think that's like right on the head. I mean, oh, it just smells so, so good. And even whenever I go in with a different conditioner afterwards, I can still really smell the shampoo just whenever I like flip my hair or anything. The scent is just incredible. That's why I keep going back to it. It's affordable, and it is a little bit of a thicker shampoo, so I feel like a tiny bit of it goes a long way. It lasts me a really long time. My jaw is already getting tired. Okay, I do have one other hair product in here. Yeah, this took me forever to get through. I believe this is either 10 or no, I think this one's $10. The dry shampoo is $14. This is the Kristin S Working Texture Loose Styling Powder. There's a little bit left around the rim of it. This is a product that will last you so long. It smells exactly like the Kristin S Dry Shampoo if you've ever used that one before. I have been a fan of like loose styling powders forever. I think the very first one I ever tried was from like Schwarzkopf, and then the Big Sexy Hair one. So many brands make them, but the Kristin S one is really good because it's not too sticky, but just like with any other texturizing powder, you really do want to go in light. And then I just like to go in and massage it in my roots, and I'll kind of like rake my fingers upwards. And that's how I just get a ton of volume on the top of my hair. Clearly I'm going for a sleeker look today. It's the first time that I've worn like makeup in weeks, and I just couldn't be bothered to do my hair too. I didn't even do lashes today. So I feel like my eyeballs feel very naked and small, but this will make your hair feel very not naked and big and voluminous and tousled and sexy. I love it. It's $10 and it lasts for such a long time. There's no need to go out and purchase like the higher end ones because I promise this works just as well, if not better. Plus the scent is very, very good. Okay, then we have some skincare products in here. I don't know how I went through this bottle so quickly because I'm pretty sure I had one in my last empties as well, although I guess it does make sense. I think my last empties was like in December. This is what I use every single day to remove my makeup. Even on days where I'm not wearing makeup, I still go in with a little bit of cleansing oil, just like on my nose and my chin, because oil dissolves oil. So I feel like it just really kind of like breaks up any like blackheads or anything on my nose and my chin. It like sloughs off everything. Heavy duty foundation, concealer, I wear waterproof mascara. This melts it all off. It doesn't burn your eyes. It's affordable. This is the Fourth Ray Beauty. So just one of, I'm sorry, I don't feel like I've talked this much in a long time. My jaw's getting so tired. The sister company of ColourPop. It's not scented or anything like that. And it just works really good. I mean, I've used the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse Oil. I've used the Clinique, what is that one called? Cleanse the Day? Something. That cleansing balm, the Elemis one. I have tried so many cleansing balms and cleansing oils. And this is the one that I don't know. I think this is my favorite out of all that I've tried just because I always go back to it. Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse is really good, but I just think the price point just makes this one more appealing to me, I guess. Okay, next up, this is the Pixi Glow Tonic 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. I always like to use this, and then I still always go in with a moisturizing toner as well. I believe it was in my January favorites. I talked about the Laneige, what is it? Cream Skin Cleanser. But I still always like to go in with this like right after cleansing. And then after I do the glycolic cleanser, then I go in with all of my moisturizing ones just to make sure like my nose, my chin, everything like I always go right here in front of my ears too, because that is an area that I'll notice like even though I go in and really wash my face thoroughly, sometimes I'll just see a little bit of foundation or something left right here. So this is my go-to just for like any extra thorough spot cleaning. I'm still gonna keep this bottle because Pixi is amazing with their PR and they always send like little bottles of this. So I just continue to refill this over and over again. But I've gone through, I think like 2 full sizes of these Glow Tonics because they've sent one before this as well. And I just really like it. It's easy. You can purchase it at the drugstore. And I think it does a really good job of just kind of gently exfoliating my face. I just have 2 other skincare items in here. This is from the brand Pure Derm. These are so incredibly affordable. On Amazon, you can buy them in like 3 packs or 5 packs. I've ordered them on YesStyle before too, whenever they were out of stock on Amazon. But this is from the brand Pure Derm. They're just these collagen eye zone masks. You get 30 sheets in here. It says it's enriched with collagen, vitamin E, green tea extract, and tropical fruits. Helps reduce eye puffiness, provides intensive hydration, and diminishes the signs of aging. I love to just pop these on while I'm applying my makeup. Whenever I'm like finished with my eyeshadow, then I'll peel them off and I just feel like my under eyes look very hydrated. Any sort of like sallowness just seems to kind of like brighten up a bit. I have very dry under eyes, so anything that adds moisture I love. They don't have any sort of greasy residue. They're just like soaked in a really nice serum that you can just pat into your under eyes once you remove them. They're just really cheap. You can keep them in your fridge. I like them. They're easy and I feel like I do notice a difference. And then the last kind of skincare item, this is from the brand, is it Loccitane or Loccitane? This is just their hand cream. I really liked this hand cream. I do think this is one worth repurchasing. I have like so many other little bottles of hand cream like on my nightstand and on my desk that I feel like I need to finish first. But what I like about this is it gives your hand that kind of like paraffin satin type of feeling, but it feels like it actually absorbs into your skin as well. You know, sometimes there's other hand creams that do that, but it feels like it just kind of like sits on top of your skin. Like you have that satin feel, but it doesn't feel like you're getting that deep hydration. This feels like it actually penetrated the skin, and it even helped my cuticles. My skin altogether is so dry right now. So I think this definitely is something worth repurchasing, and a little bit of it goes a long way. I think there's different variations. I had the 20% shea butter dry skin. I kind of like this like simplistic packaging too. It is sharp though. I was carrying this around in my purse for a while, which was crazy because it's heavy when it's full, but yeah, that's a really nice hand cream. Okay, moving on to, well, there's one other random product and then we'll get into the makeup. I have a hand sanitizer in here. I don't even know why I put this in an Empties. I typically don't, but this is just the Bath & Body Works spray antibacterial hand spray. I like these more than the like squeeze ones with the beads. I don't know, I just feel like it's easier, especially when I pull it out and I can just like spray everybody's hands with it. Or sometimes if we're at a restaurant, I'll like, you know, use this and spray the table too if I don't have wet wipes with me. But this one was just in Fiji White Sands. Bath & Body Works doesn't always carry these though. And I don't know why, like it seems like it's more in the spring and then summer that these come out, but I wish this was permanent because I do prefer the sprays over the squeeze ones. Can we talk about how they've started marking those up? Do you remember like the sales used to be 5 for $5? They're now like a sale now. It's like 5 for $8. It's ridiculous how much they charge for those little hand sanitizers, especially right now with freaking coronavirus. I'm like, annoying. Okay, moving on to makeup. I really don't have too many makeup products. I do have 2 nail products though. Both are actually top coats. This one I'm kind of annoyed about because I really liked this. This was the Sally Hansen Mega Strength Ultra Shine Top Coat, but the last third of it got really thick and goopy to where it just was kind of tugging my nail polish along, when before I could just paint it right on and it wouldn't cause any problems, but it just got thick and weird, which is annoying because the formula before it got to that point was really good. I know a lot of people love the Séché Vite top coat. That stuff makes my nails chip so fast. I love how quickly it does dry my polishes, but it's 2 days later, my nails will chip. Sometimes even 1 day later. It just doesn't seem to be quite as long lasting as other top coats on my nails. This is probably one of the best top coats I've ever used though. And I'm someone who typically always sticks to gel nails. I not DIY, but gel nails at home. I've talked about the red carpet manicure set for forever and a day now. I just have regular nail polish on now. It's chipping because it's been a few days, but I'm trying to let my nails grow a little bit. They look really rough just from the anxiety and stuff. I was picking them and peeling them, so I'm trying to let them get better. But I did order dip nails, finally, dip powders to do at home. That way I can do a video. I've used them twice now. And I mean, I feel I definitely kind of gathered my thoughts since then. So I do want to do a video on that. So hopefully my nails will start to look better here shortly. But this is a rapid gel top coat from Kokie Cosmetics. None of the stores around me sell Kokie in store. I know they're sold at select Walmarts, Walmart, Rite Aid, and I think that Christmas tree shop. I've never been to one of those, but this is just a really good, durable, thick, super glossy top coat. Hands down the best regular top coat I've ever tried. It says rapid gel, but I mean, it's just a regular top coat. I don't feel it's actually a gel where you have to cure under a lamp, because I've never cured it under a lamp. But just for a regular top coat, this stuff is amazing. I need to order another one. I have the base coat too. The base coat was just kind of whatever, but this top coat is amazing. I need to purchase another one. Okay, finally moving on to makeup. I have 2 foundations. First up is NARS, I always forget the name of this one, Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Punjab. This and NARS Sheer Glow will forever be some of my favorite foundations of life. This is a foundation I can wear all year round, whether it's winter, summer, spring, fall. It just works for me. I really do like it. I have to say though, for the last, ever since the Wet n Wild Dewy foundation came out, that's the only foundation that I've been wearing. But this will be a forever favorite. I already do have a backup of it just because I think the coverage is amazing. The way that it feels on the skin, it's lightweight, but you get glam coverage from it without feeling heavy, cakey, or thick. It's just a really good foundation. Kind of the opposite spectrum, more of a lightweight, everyday, but very luminous, glowy foundation. This is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfection Foundation. This one was in light. It looks like there's still a lot in here, but I mean, I've literally poured this out upside down and had this dropper applicator. I just love this for every day, especially if you like more of a fresh finish where you don't mind your freckles peeking through. Wearing this and then brows, mascara, and cream blush, I think that's one of the prettiest summertime looks. I'm pretty sure I have a video, a foundation routine with this. If I can find it, I'll go ahead and link it here, but this is one that I would definitely be interested in purchasing again, especially during the summer, just because the formula is so nice. This is the ideal vacation foundation, especially when you have a tan. Something about it just I don't know, it's just extra glossy on tan skin. It's so pretty. Okay, and then we have a setting spray. This is from Loreal. It's just their Shake and Glow Dew Mist. This and the Pixi Glow Mist are probably my favorite. If I had to pick one, it would be the Pixi Glow Mist, just because I feel that one definitely adds actual dewiness to your skin, because there is, I forget what kind of oil in there, but it's just a very dewy, luminous one. This is a great one from the drugstore though. I mean, I don't think it really makes my makeup last longer, but if you're just looking for something to really, oh, I'm sorry, that was probably loud, melt in the powders and add some glowiness to your skin, this one is really nice. It has a very nice, there's a tiny bit left, let's see. It has, see that very nice, even mist. I can't even remember now. There's a very subtle scent, almost a natural floral scent, but very, very, very light. There's that. That is something that I would repurchase, but not anytime soon because I have so many setting sprays. And then the very last Empty is actually a product that I finished today. I'm very sad about. I realized I'm I'm like contradicting myself because in my last Empties video, I said I would never purchase another eyebrow product because the Etude House one is so good. It is so good. I still love that one, but this Sephora collection retractable brow pencil, waterproof and soft charcoal is so good. It's like the formula isn't anything life-changing. If anything, this formula is probably very similar to the Etude House one, but it's the color of this pencil. Like this and the Etude House Soft Black just match my brow hairs perfectly. It's like, it's not too cool where they look gray and charcoal, and it's not too warm where you see like tints of red or orange. It just matches my brow perfectly. So this would have to be a repurchase. Sorry. I know. I said I would only ever purchase the Etude House one again, but this one is just so good. I love the brow mascara as well, the tinted brow or brow fiber mascara, something like that. But the actual pencil, I do have the larger one too. It's good, but this micro one is thebomb.com. All right, so there you have it. There are my most recent empties. I'm so glad to be back. I have missed you guys so much. Like the last few days, I've just been sitting here waiting for this nar thing to heal so I could like finally put a little bit of something on it and be back on camera, because if y'all follow me on stories, y'all saw it was like an angry beast. Sorry for the absence. I love you guys all so much. If you haven't already, I would love if you subscribe. That way you don't miss out on future videos. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.